Are you looking for a basic washer and dryer under $700? We've got the pair for you. This is the Hotpoint by GE. This is a very basic unit. Water level, your cycle, temperature, start button. You can even do a deep rinse if you're looking for that non-high efficiency option, which a lot of the new machines have. You're going to have a stainless steel drum inside, very large capacity. You're going to have a spiral type agitator, so it's going to give you great wash action. This is a great unit for under $700. The matching dryer, very simple as well. You're going to have a very basic control, normal, delicate, time dry, 3 different temperature selections, as well as your start button. Galvanized drum inside. It doesn't get much simpler than this unit. Both pieces are made in the US. Be sure to go to donsappliances.com for more information and leave some comments below. We'd love to hear from you.